everyone, Forrest here with Honey Pots Zone 5, and I wanted to bring back my aronia berry plants, my chokeberries, in front of the camera. I'm going to go ahead and pot them. If you remember in my other video, which I'll link up top, they had come in, and these are plants from Baker Creek, and they are having some issues, but they came in like this and these bags. You can see some of the yellow in there, and the weather isn't cooperating with me, and having them like this is not really good for a long period of time. So I've got these little pots here that I'm going to plant them in, and hopefully they'll do better until I can get them outside. Even if I have to go ahead and pot them up as they get bigger and bigger, because these are a very fast growing shrub, and you can eat the berries, you can eat the chokeberries and make wines, jams, and jellies out of them. I don't know how they are going to be straight. I have tasted a chokeberry before and it wasn't very good. So I don't know how these are going to be. This is going to be different for me. I got them because they are fast growing, and they do offer a food source, not only for me, but for the birds. And you all know in my one video, which I will link up above, that I am making like a green wall with evergreens, I couldn't think of the word, evergreens and deciduous shrubs and trees out front there, not only for a place for the animals to live, but it will also kind of shelter my home from the wind. That we get just amazing winds here in Michigan. All my Michigan watchers, you know what I'm talking about. And it also gives me some privacy, some screening. It will also help dampen the noise that's out there from the roads out there. I won't get so much noise from that. So having said all that, these guys will be going out there. They do like a full sun. They can take a little bit of shade, but they do prefer full sun, so I will strategically place them in my border. And I mean, it's huge. The border is huge. I'll have to measure it someday to see how long it truly is. But this is my damp soil. It's just potting soil mixed with some vermiculite and some perlite. I usually, when I start seeds, like to use vermiculite. It works for me, and it's like a soft, powdery like soil. It's very lightweight, and it's easier for the seeds to get going in that. I do prefer it over anything else. And I'll share that. I share that with you in my seed starting video. So there we go. So that's all I'm going to do with these. I am going to put them over on my shelf behind me here, where I have all my other seedlings at, and they are doing well. You can see along the trunk here of the shrub that I've got some new growth. Right there's a little new growth. So it is doing well, but I don't want it to struggle too much, so that's why I'm going to go ahead and plant them. I'm not pulling apart the root balls like I usually do to get them to fan out and stuff, because right now I just want them to be healthy so that when I do transplant them, they have a really good start in life. So thanks for joining me. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I have my subscribe button down there. And any comments, questions, concerns, go ahead and put them down below. I love to answer any of the questions that you have. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video.